Chapter 1. The Spark of Revolution. In the early 20th century, in the town of Banga, Punjab, India, a child named Bhagat Singh was born on September 28, 1907. Growing up, Bhagat Singh witnessed firsthand the injustice and oppression faced by the Indian people under British colonial rule. Inspired by his father, Kishan Singh, who was an advocate of social reform, Bhagat Singh developed a fiery passion for freedom and equality. Chapter 2. The Awakening. As a young student, Bhagat Singh's perspective on life changed dramatically when he witnessed the Jallianwala Bagh massacre in 1919. The brutal incident in which peaceful protesters were mercilessly gunned down by British soldiers shook him to the core. This event became a turning point in his life, igniting his resolve to fight for India's independence. Chapter 3. Embracing Revolution. Bhagat Singh joined the Hindustan Republican Association, HRA, a revolutionary organization that aimed to overthrow British rule through armed resistance. He was deeply influenced by the writings of socialist thinkers and revolutionaries such as Karl Marx and Vladimir Lenin. Bhagat Singh believed in the power of the masses and sought to awaken the spirit of nationalism among the Indian people. Chapter 4. The Lahore Conspiracy. In 1928, Bhagat Singh and his comrades plotted an act of revolution that would send shockwaves throughout the British Raj. As a symbol of protest against the repressive public safety bill and the death of freedom fighter Lala Lajpat Rai, they conspired to assassinate James A. Scott, the British police officer responsible for Rai's death. Chapter 5. The Assembly Bombing. On April 8, 1929, Bhagat Singh and his associate Batukeshwar Dutt threw bombs inside the Central Legislative Assembly in Delhi. Their intention was not to cause harm to individuals, but to draw attention to the cause of Indian independence. Both revolutionaries willingly surrendered, shouting slogans of revolution and colonial resistance. Chapter 6. The Trial and Legacy. Bhagat Singh's trial captivated the nation, and he used the courtroom as a platform to propagate his revolutionary ideals. His impassioned speeches and unwavering determination inspired countless Indians to join the freedom struggle. Despite the odds, Bhagat Singh and his fellow revolutionaries, Rajguru and Sukhdev, were sentenced to death by hanging. Chapter 7. Immortal Martyr. On March 23, 1931, Bhagat Singh, Rajguru, and Sukhdev embraced martyrdom with unwavering courage. Their sacrifice sparked a wave of outrage and further strengthened the resolve of the Indian people to fight for independence. Bhagat Singh's name became synonymous with bravery, sacrifice, and the undying spirit of revolution. Chapter 8. Legacy lives on. Even after his death, Bhagat Singh's influence continued to inspire generations of Indians in their pursuit of freedom. His writings, such as Why I Am an Atheist and The Jail Notebook, became essential texts in the struggle against imperialism. Bhagat Singh's legacy remains deeply ingrained in India's history, serving as a constant reminder of the power of conviction and sacrifice. Epilogue. An Everlasting Flame. Today, Bhagat Singh is remembered as one of India's greatest revolutionaries, a symbol of courage and resistance. His life and actions serve as a beacon of hope, reminding the world of the ongoing struggle for justice and equality. Bhagat Singh's immortal flame continues to burn bright, inspiring individuals to stand up against oppression and fight for a better tomorrow.